Hi, we are at the Bedford community in Corona, California, and usually we talk about the marketplace because there's up and coming things all the time there, but we wanted to bring you inside the neighborhood. We'll be doing that quite a lot throughout our neighborhood journeys, so that you guys can only look up a property or do a street view on Google, but where we take you, where you can see what's in the neighborhood, you can kind of feel like you can smell it and touch it. Those are things that are great if you're moving here or if you're in the general area and you're not sure about different things to do or see. It really helps when you can show that part of everything. So we're trying to provide value for you guys, and I think being in the community is a really important part of that. So like I said, we're at Bedford, and they have several neighborhoods. It's detached homes, there's townhomes, there's a little bit smaller homes, bigger homes, and they created this community with a marketplace where things are walkable and you can exercise and you can socialize and you can really get together with your community for events and different things that are happening in the community. They have an amazing clubhouse and just so many different amenities to offer. And there's been some existing communities like here, and look at the backdrop. I mean, like, just gorgeous hills. Behind us we have the Cleveland National Forest, and the sunsets are gorgeous. You're also in a very centralized location where you're close to pretty much within an hour to Palm Springs, Big Bear, LA, Orange County, San Diego, Temecula, where they have Pachanga in the wine country. So you really are in an amazing, amazing location with amazing views. So that is such a perk within itself. But what I wanted to say, this is the existing communities here. The community has been up and coming for the last couple of years, and it's all in one community where they really bring you in as a community. Whether you're in a townhome, a single family home, you're in different areas, you all can come together and work, play, and live your best life. And that's what I love, where they add the marketplaces and everything to these big communities, because it really helps everything. You can just stay in your general area and really get to know the area and the people. And that's what it's all about, is knowing your neighbors, getting out there in the community, talking to people. It just really makes life better. So in general, this is the built up part of the community. And then if you look behind us over here, we'll take a little walk. And on this side, we have the open space, which is future homes will be going here. And then we're also later on in the video going to show you some new builds that are happening. So this really does kind of have it all: existing, new build, and future places to do. And this property right here, look at that backdrop that's going to have, I mean, when you have nature and peace like that, it really brings the community together. But it's also, they're very big into vibrant and art and community and social. So there's a lot of really unique things, and we are definitely going to go see what's out there. Now we're taking you to the Bedford Park and the Clubhouse. And so the park is just a little area for your kids to come out and kind of play, hang out, for you to just take a breath on one of the benches. But it's a really cute area with an amazing backdrop and just something else they add for families to have a great time and a great experience. Well, you've been following us around, and here we are, we're landing at the Clubhouse. So it says, come on in. When you go in there, they had, we were in there a couple of years ago when when they first started building everything, and there's like ping pong and a swimming pool, and there was like a wine bar and a lot of different really cool, unique things that I haven't seen before. So that was really neat. They also have a place called The Shed, which is their gym and their fitness center. They do no yawning. Okay, you might yawn, maybe on a hammock or something, but they do lawn yoga and a lot of different like activities. So it's really about art, it's about entertainment, it's about coming together as a community, it's about exercise, health, fitness, motivation, mindset, and they bring all of those elements into the community. So the clubhouse, when you go behind the doors, you get to see the pool and everything, and then they have 2 buildings on either side of us as well that we'll try to get shots for too. But yeah, when you're in Bedford, the whole community gets all of these amenities, so that's really, really nice too. And then we're a hop, skip, and a jump from the marketplace as well. So welcome to the clubhouse. So you've been following us, and here we are. We've landed in the new home build community. So there's several different builders that are building right now as we speak. Some of them are townhomes, some of them are detached. Some are a little bit smaller, some are a little bit bigger. So it's a little bit for everybody. We have the New Home Company, we have Tri-Point Homes, we have Taylor Morrison Homes. So there's different builders are coming up to this area as well on the next phase for the community. So along with that, like I said, you have fresh new looks, you have modern farmhouse, you have bungalow, you have all different styles that they're trying to bring together to have like a modern feel and an artsy feel to the community, which I think is really, really cool to be a part of. So you want colors, you want that feeling that gets you to come into the neighborhood, not just the amenities, not just the homes, but like that you are home and you're in a modern area that really has a little bit of something for everyone. So definitely come on down, check it out, and if you have any questions, we're here for you. And here we are at the Bedford Marketplace, and this is a really cool area that we've talked about in some separate videos if you want to check that out. But it's got Starbucks, it's got Kitty Academy, it's got Carbon Health, Schools First, Credit Union, Quick Quack Car Wash, it's got a nail salon, it's got Crumbles Cookies is coming up, and a lot of just really neat things, because their whole plan for Bedford neighborhood was to have a whole community that you could walk to, that you could get to by biking or walking. You can socialize, you can do art, you can have a coffee with your friends, you can have everything kind of all in one place that's walking distance or a very, very quick car ride. So I really appreciate all these neighborhoods that are coming up that have marketplaces attached to them, because it really helps make your life that much easier and more fulfilling, so you're not driving a half hour to try to get to places. One thing behind me that I want to point out, this building, as everyone probably knows and we've discussed, is supposed to be an Amazon Fresh, and everyone is looking so forward to it. They did this, I believe, in Pasadena as well, or Pomona, I'm sorry, I can't remember which one, but they had an article on it that it sat for a year without being opened. So I'm not sure if they're trying to, wait for markets to change, but I know people are really excited about Amazon Fresh. So Amazon, open Amazon Fresh. The public wants it. And so I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, if you have any other questions, go check out our other video about Bedford Marketplace. So that concludes our tour today of Bedford, the marketplace and the neighborhoods in Corona, California. We are going to be doing more neighborhoods and taking you through all the cool and interesting and up and coming things in the community. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. And also, please always let us know what you'd like to see in the community, or if you're moving here, if you live here, if you'd like to see more of something, please let us know in the comments, and we will try to make your dreams come true, whether it's buying a home or showing a video on YouTube. That's what we're here for, to serve. So like I said, we hope this was helpful. You can check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Vivid Lifestyle Realty, and we really just want to provide value, and so that helps people moving to the area, whether you're in state moving or out of state moving, or just in the community in general. And we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.